Okay, we're on our way to the beach. It's a nice day today. Very sunny. And there's a karaoke in the neighborhood. Oh wow. I think there's a party. We have a party. And this is where we buy chicken. Sometimes. They're good. And here's a new construction here. I don't know what it is. It's a house or a store. And it's I think it's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. We're going to cross the street. There we go. It's a pretty house right there.
I can do that too, right here.
Fish?
Yeah, but it will take us some tilapia.
But I don't know if the owner gonna let us there.
Right here, I mean, anybody can do that here.
You don't know that. You're crazy. There's kids fishing in a pond, fish pond. It's dirty. They're fishing. Look at that. It's all tilapia. You see their little homemade fishing rod. May nakuha ka na ga?
He doesn't have any bait. It's not going to catch anything with that bait.
Why ka man paon? The water here smells. They're fishing. I think it's all like tilapia. They're fixing the road here and make it into a concrete, because if it's just a dirt, it keeps breaking. Oops, cemented it. But the fish is there in the pond is like that.
Huh?
Like that big. They're tiny. I hear the games. Eee. Cute. The beach is coming up. Which way, Amon?
Hmm?
Which way?
No, let's go straight to him.
Okay?
Yeah.
But there's always have people here. This one is nothing. So, but you like it here?
Yeah, it's okay. You gonna swim?
No, I'm just gonna watch. Mira, look at the piña, how big.
Where?
Inside the piña, pineapple.
Which one is the pineapple?
That's a pineapple.
That's pineapple?
Yes, it's too big. Look, and there's another pineapple coming out. Pineapple fruit. Wow, how pretty. Nice. Dada will give you a big pineapple fruit. They're big. The one that I planted in Miami, the pineapple, they gave me like very tiny head of pineapple fruit.
Because this soil over there is crap.
Oh my god. That one, yeah. The pineapple that I planted the other day, that was gonna grow big.
You're talking to your boyfriend. Bye-bye, talking to your boyfriend. Huh?
She just laughed. They probably gonna let the fun out his hair again. Oh, there's the beach. Oh, it's high tide. Nice, I like it. Ngayong hapon.
Ayaw hapon.
You gonna swim, Amon? Oh wow, it's so nice.
Mira, you can see the mountain.
Oh yeah. That's the Panay Island. If you're in Dumaguete, you'll see the island of Cebu. But if you're in Negros, you'll see the Panay Island. Oh, look at the water. It's so nice. Yay. I like it. There's a kid swimming. The little wave, no? Wavy? No, the water is fine. It's not cold at all.
Don't drop.
No! I'm just trying to wash my feet. Oh shit.